Namaskar. Under eOffice, we have seen a lot of basics and concepts till now, but there is one issue. Generally, people ask in comments or in email that the receipt we scan and keep in computers and then in eOffice through browse and diarize option we take into it our file management system. If that receipt size is greater than 20 MB for any reason, then how we will take into file management system as there is restriction that maximum size allowed is 20 MB, right? So there are two possibilities or scenarios. First, we should understand that 20 MB is a very big size, and if you are doing proper scanning as per defined standards, then a great number of scanned pages will easily come in this size. So you have to first ensure that we have seen in digitization video in depth that we have to be very alert that our scanner settings are as per standards or not, right? Is there any mistake in the settings that should be there? We have to keep 150 to 200 dpi that we have discussed, and we also discussed that it should be grayscale, means colored or very high quality scanning need not to be done because it will unnecessarily make file size very large. If all these settings are correct and still size of file is more than 20 MB, then as per my experience and what I have seen till now, that mining departments are having very large number of pages in their files as they have cases related files that are going through from many years. So like this, if some exceptional cases may be there. So what needs to be done in these type of cases that we will see in this video. Now second scenario in this regard is assume that in our office one receipt came today, some dark came, I mean. I took into our e-office file management system using browse and diarize. Then after 2 days or 10 days or 1 month or after 4 months or 6 months or after 1 year, means at any point of time one new receipt comes to our office which is related to same subject or file, then how I will keep this new receipt into the old file, right? If you have seen old video attentively, then this scenario we have seen already. But as these both scenarios will be covered by following same steps, so I took this topic also in this video for understanding and knowledge. So two things: if created file size is very high and if any other receipt comes to office related to old file at our level, so these scenarios will be clear in a while to us. Okay. Mm, Now what I will do, I will open the browser, any browser I will open. Okay, I have opened Google Chrome. You may use any of browser as digital signature matter is not there. I'm typing demo website, demo dot, I will write here demo.mpeoffice.gov.in, and then after writing press enter. So login screen has to come. I'm waiting for, yes. I am using user ID here as crucol.ktE. This is collected demo ID. CRU, you know it very well, central receipt unit. Now entering password. I will enter the password and then let me write. Then I will click login button. Okay. As I am using mobile internet, so it will take a little time in opening the pages. So have patience, please. I'm waiting that screen gets opened. Then there will we will click on file management system link. Let it come. Yeah, it is coming now here. Yeah, this file management system, I'm clicking on this now. Okay, so now this inbox screen has opened. You are aware of this screen very well. I am not wasting time on this anymore. Straight first close this file tab and click on our concerned receipt tab. So I'm closing the file and come to receipt. Here we have browse and diarize physical and electronic, or can directly click on below browse and diarize. I have clicked on electronics, this one, browse and diaries. Let it get opened. I show you that I created one folder on desktop named demo, and inside this kept two PDF files, one.pdf and two.pdf. Open one.pdf, I have written one only, closing this, and in two.pdf I have written two. So we have two PDF files. Its sizes are 2 KB, 2 KB. But assume that one file of your office that you want to bring in e-office file management system, means in this browser screen we have to, I'll just open the browser so it will be clear. Yeah, in this browser we have to bring that files, right? So assume that the file size is very high, that is around more than 20 MB. So we have broken it into two parts, one.pdf and two.pdf. So this is our assumption only, right? Now this one first part is assume that it is of 20 MB and second part is of any MB like 2 MB, 4 MB, whatever. So if 2 PDF get, then we will if 2.pdf is also of 20 MB, then we would have created third one, 3.pdf. So now fastly come to our e-office screen, that browser one. I will open one, just a second here, right? I will click on upload file button. It will then I will browse the first.pdf. It should get open here. Now right side we have to give some basic information which we have discussed a lot in receipt video in both English and Hindi version in depth. For this video I am just keeping needful fields without which we cannot proceed, only except letter date, and it is not mandatory but very important field. So I'll select the date. Today is 19th July, so I'll select any of the date. 15th July will be okay, right? Okay, contact details are important part, of course, as not mandatory, so I keep some randomly. In ministry, cabinet, secretariat, okay, department, I will select others. Then secretary, I will type here. Oh, sorry, name is to be given. In name writing, any name, Rahul Sharma. I will write Rahul Sharma. Okay. Then in designation, I will write some designation. Sorry, designation to be right here. Secretary, I will write in the designation field. Okay. Now in organization, keeping cabinet secretary. See, suggestions will also come as you type that we have used earlier in the database, so that we need to type less and we have options to select. All other fields are important, you may write it later. I'm not writing all, but keeping more and more information is a good practice, as I told earlier that these are called as metadata fields, and keeping as much information will be helpful in searching the files in future at any point of time. In now main now I will select okay, in main category, keeping randomly some appointments. Subcategory, leave it. In subject, writing demo, test, file size matter, keeping just to identify it later easily in this demo when we will see inbox. Okay, enclosure, if any. Customize acknowledgement not required, as we not needed to give acknowledgement to anyone. Then generate and send, we discussed it earlier a lot. Generate and send we will not click, as we do not want to send, so we will click on this generate. Why we are not sending, we will see in a while. So as of now, click on generate button. So new screen will come and new receipt number will get allotted. Just waiting for getting loaded this page. Okay, page gets okay, it's loaded. Here right side is our receipt number. As this receipt number is generated, now we can send it here from this send link, but we are not sending it. So if you have generated receipt number and not sent it, then this will be now moved to receipts tab. Created link inside here somewhere, created, yeah, here this one is created link, as we have just created the receipt. Okay, see it here, the let it get open. Yeah, here see, subject is demo, test, file size matter, and category is appointments, as we selected there. Here receipt number, if we click on it, same details will come up what we just saw. Right now what we will do is select the checkbox and come above to put in file option. Click on it to get this receipt into a file. So click on it. Yeah, so this pop-up came here. Currently two files are at my level, one is electronic and one is physical. E is for electronic and P for physical. If our receipt is related to any of these files, then I can directly select the file here, but for showing you I am selecting it and will select from here, and when we do browse and diaries of 2.pdf, okay, then it will be clear to you. For now, click on create file, then come to create file, then non-SFS. If not related to below showing files, click to on non-SFS. Now one pop-up has come. Here it is. In this pop-up, need to provide some basic details, so I select randomly anything. Common office services, then central government health scheme, then CGHS rules, and leave it. Other fields are not showing anything. In description, doing one thing, I just paste the subject and add description in last. So demo file size matter description. Okay, category में क्या left it randomly. I'll select here establish matters. Okay, in subnoting to select in remarks not mandatory field but writing demo file size matter remarks, so we'll be able to relate it in the video that is related to our file. Okay, previous letter references leave it for now. Now we will click on continue working button. Okay, clicked on it. So one pop-up will come. Yeah, receipt is inserted in the newly created file and some file number is generated. Means our received one.pdf what that we scanned is now is attached with the file which is new file, and file number is also showing. Let me copy the file number. I will paste this file number in a Word file so that we will match it if needed anywhere in this video to verify. So now in this WordPad I have pasted. Now clicking on this OK button. Okay, so I clicked. Yeah, clicked. Everything is done. Then screen gets refreshed and in receipt the created section is now blank. So where the file gone? It must be available in file related tab. So I close the receipt tab now and let's go to the file tab after this. Yes, come to file tab. In file where it should be in the created, as we have not sent to anyone. So inside created, click on completed. See, it is here on the top. Subject is same, demo file size matter description and remarks can also be seen in the, it is same as we have given. So we got the same file at correct location. Now what we should do? We should click on this file number. So I clicked. What it will open? Let's open. Yeah, the screen will open that you know very well. Left side note sheet side and in right side related matters attached gets opened. Regarding note sheet, we have discussed a lot in very depth. If you have not seen, then please go to those videos first so that this video will be easily understandable if you directly came to this video. And if you have seen that, then you will be able to relate easily. Let's go to our main agenda. In right side, what I wanted to show you is assume that this is 20 MB file and having 1000 pages like 1, 2, etc. up to 1000. As you have done partition of your physical file, right? First part was having pages that was made of the size 20 MB and second part was having left out pages and it was also making some size of the file. You have to bring that second part exactly below this first scenario, right? Second scenario that we discussed, that what receipt we received today we have attached, but when some other matter or receipt comes in future related to this, then how we will bring that new receipt here? So that we will see here. Very simple. We do one thing. We left this file here as it is, but before that, if you remember, above this TOC, table of contents, click on it. Let's see what is here. You know it very well that it shows detail of receipts with it, showing subject. It may be receipt or issue number. We can see the details on clicking the link. What we know. Why I am showing this, you will come to know in a while. Okay. On this screen, we clearly get the view of what subject is, on what date it is attached. Date is very important factor. I will let you know why it is important, and with date this time is below. With date this time is very important. You will understand later in this video that why it is important. Okay, here shows number of pages inside this. If 1000 pages, then 1 to 1000 would have come here. Okay, now what I will do, I will again go to the menu. This three lines, horizontal lines, click here, will show all the options in left panel like receipt, file and other so many. So ever it does not come, just click on these three horizontal lines. So I am clicking on it. Again, come to receipt tab and generate a new receipt. Assume new receipt came to office. So let's click on browse and diarize. Yes, let it get opened so that we can bring 2.pdf. Okay, so click on upload, select 2.pdf. Right side in metadata, I'm just selecting letter date. Last one we took 15th. In this I select 17th as it came later. Here also something select randomly related to that, cabinet secretariat. Then others in name someone else, name Sandeep. I will write Sandeep Singh. Sandeep Singh. Okay, and in designation I will write deputy secretary, anything it can be. Okay, organization, same cabinet secretariat, we can keep cabinet secretariat. Okay, other fields leaving in main category I will select randomly something. Let audit matters subcategory, leave it. In subject we put same. Okay, I have to write I will write it here because test test demo I will write test demo 2.pdf. Okay, second part. Yeah, just related. I write one dash. I should write one dash also. Let me copy it also, so that if required I will paste there. Okay, enclosure customize acknowledgement, leave it. Click on generate button. Let new screen come. It will have new receipt number allotted. Yeah, it's okay that new receipt came, so new number allotted, here it is. I think no confusion must be there in it. Now as we did earlier, we will go inside receipt tab and created link is to be clicked. See here it is showing same subject and other details. Similar steps, select the checkbox and click on put in file. See in pop-up, earlier two files were showing, now three files are showing. The third one with subject demo file size meta description, right? It is the same file. We can match the file number as we copied there, right? D I just open, will match it. See, it is same D dash 120111 slash 1 slash 2020 dash SEC 1 dash collector dot KTE. Okay, so select the file and then below attach button we will click on it, see what happens. Okay, so it must have got attached. So I'm closing the receipt tab and move to the files tab. Now here come to the completed link, click on it. On the top it will come, it should come, we'll see on the top it is there. File number can be checked to get insured. Let click on the file number as it is same on which we were working. So it opened, it is showing 2.pdf file as we just attached it. Come to table of contents, TOC, click on it. Here in TOC, notice attentively that what is here. It is having now two attachments that we attached. Subjects are showing of both. Important is see date and time. In that time I was mentioning, first see the order. The receipt which is attached earlier will show below, like here below 1.pdf related, and receipt received last will be on top. If some new will come, it will be on top again, means on first number, right? Top one is last one simply. Page numbers showing uh, 121 222 means both are having only one page. Okay, as we attached together, system made earlier one as one and later one as two. Okay, here the concept must get clear to you, right? I want to mention one more point, as some of viewers have queried that as these receipts are at my level right now, I have not started any communication on these, as I have not sent to anyone till now. Until no communication has been started, till that we have option of that. If receipt is wrongly attached, then I can select all by selecting uh, this above checkbox. So I will show once. I will select this checkbox, right? Both got selected. Or I can select anyone, then from right side drop down box can detach option is to remove the receipt. But remember, if communication is started once you have sent to anyone, then no official from department, even of any designation, topmost or head of department, cannot ever be able to remove or do detachments. This power is not given to anyone. Okay, this is very basic thing, but we should know, as people ask that we have attached receipt, then how to detach or how to close it. You can do it only when it is at your level or you created it and no communication has been started. If someone has sent you or you have sent to anyone, that detachment option is closed. Okay, now coming to our agenda. Now click on this, just a second. Hmm. Now click on this awesome all tab. I'm telling this as awesome. Why? Just see. See what comes. Come above to see what I wanted to show. See here it is written one of two. See the smartness of system. First page one is attached earlier, then second page two of two. It is now I show second page. It will be two of two. See. If it was having 1000 pages in both receipt, then here it will be showing 1 by 2000, and in last page 2000 by 2000. It came first, then second came, still here it came as a single file. So at any time when you come to table of contents, if we will see after 10 years, this file we won't confuse, as it is showing details in a very clear cut manner. From here you will get all basic information, that which pages have been attached when, and in alt tab, see, from here you get all the information, that which pages, which receipt is that came when which on what date, what time it came. In all tab you can read all pages one by one at your comfort. You can read it, you can zoom it, you can download it in your computers, you can print it easily. All the possible options are available to us. From here you can search anything. Now I'm clicking on these two arrows. See, print, download, will download in local computer, and many other options that you can read. You can rotate if it someone has done attachment of page not properly, like attached page horizontally, means that, and all you can do in PDF files can be done here easily. So I think that what my purpose was must get clear to you, that at any point of time to any file we can attach new receipt related to the file. If new receipt came to office, or at later point of time after creation of file, or our second scenario where we have done partition of bigger files in parts, so that scanning of different parts is done separately, and then one by one can be taken into the system to again make a single copy, as in alt tab we see. So partition can be done in any numbers to fulfill the 20 MB criteria. Yeah, one thing that this way breaking and taking into the system must you discuss with your higher authorities and technical team, or whatever system is taking care of these in your offices. They will guide. As per my knowledge, this is the only option we have. Okay, so in this video we discuss very important topic, and these scenarios must be coming to all of you in all the offices, I hope. Particularly this alt tab option has not shown by me till now in any of the video. So this concept is also got covered, and I hope it will help many of the officials. If you have any suggestions or query, you can comment please. uh, I'm closing this video session now. Thanks a lot once again.